Hey guys, welcome back to another amazing video. In this tutorial, we're gonna learn how you can exit big picture mode over on your Steam. So do kindly watch the video till the end in order to get it properly. First of all, what you need to do, you have to go to Steam settings, and over here, and now what you're gonna do, you have to go to interface right there, and in interface, you have to uncheck start Steam in big picture mode. So just simply uncheck it and then hit OK. Now just simply restart your Steam. Now again relaunch it. And here we go. So this is basically how you can exit big picture mode over on Steam. So all for today's video guys. Make sure to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I'll be meeting you in the next one. See you soon. Bye.